York City, one of the biggest cities in the world. I really didn't want to leave my friends in Chicago. But then Mom and I moved in with my grandparents who live above the deli. It sounded like a drag, but then I discovered my grandparents were actually secret agents. And they made me a spy too. Oh yeah, don't tell my mom.
And can you tell me what this fly was doing in my soup?
Mo, Mr. Skaminky found a fly in his soup.
Oh, must be a lucky day, Mr. Skaminky. We have a slogan at our deli, find a fly, food is free, and don't ask why.
Mr. Skaminky, isn't this the same fly you found in our free pastrami sandwich last week?
No, today I put in a different fly. Oops.
Mo, time to go. David, we're leaving you in charge while we celebrate the anniversary of our first date.
It's been
A few years. Every year we go out and celebrate by eating the same meal we had on our very first date.
pizza!
You were kidding. I didn't know old people. I mean, you guys like pizza.
We may be five-star chefs and food gourmets, but a good pizza is a
good pizza. Go ahead, David. You take this one.
What's cooking? The herring swims upstream. No, sir. Yes, sir, we'll be there. They need us at headquarters now. Ooh, but what about you guys' pizza night?
The bad guys don't stop for anniversaries. You're speeding, Mo.
I'm going 17 miles an hour, Anna. Ain't flies faster than this.
Grandpa, look where you're going. Grandpa, the garbage truck!
It's not a garbage truck. It's the agency's new mobile office.
Cool!
We're using a new holographic imagery system.
This place is awesome!
David, shh. The boss is talking.
As I was saying, it operates on the same airwaves as television signals, so it's possible we may experience a little interference.
He looks like a clown.
I heard that, young man.
David.
What? He's got a big red nose.
For months now, shipments of cheese have been getting hijacked, both on land and at sea. New York is in its greatest cheese shortage ever. And now, the world's largest wheel of mozzarella cheese has been stolen right in our own backyard.
Nice wheels.
What'd you say?
He said those heels.
Right. No mozzarella. Run. Well, no cheese means no pizza. Good luck on your agent's mission. And now I'll be leaving you with
Lots of gas? Take gas, be gone.
Oh, our anniversary dinner.
Don't worry, Grandma. You'll have your anniversary and New York will get its cheese. I am so on this mission.
Welcome, me friends. And you must be David, grandson to me favorite agent. Respect, man. Hey, just call me Ben. Ben, the gadget man. Oh, please don't touch that man. It will disintegrate your grandmama. Let's get the gadgets for your assignment. Berkeley!
I'm fine.
Organic semolina noodle rope. Berkeley! Drop and roll, man. Drop and roll. Magnifying soda bottle and super slippery banana shoes.
I think this place is the coolest. This looks bad. The mozzarella shortage is already affecting the city.
New York City without pizza is like Hawaii without the hula girls.
Watch it, Mo.
He's a boy, Anna. He's heard of hula girls. Who would want to steal all the cheese in the city?
A big rat?
Excellent, David. He's a natural, Mo. What did I tell you?
You told me. I was the one who saw his potential.
Excuse me for interrupting, but what did I say?
A big rat, a.k.a. Harry Raton, the biggest rat in organized crime. And now he's into controlling the cheese market. Let's see. According to our sources, that's the rat's warehouse over there.
You sure you guys can do this?
Do this? Anna and I were the best noodle climbers at the academy. Boy, this isn't as easy as it used to be. Anna, maybe we got a flawed noodle.
The only noodle that's flawed is your noodle, Mo.
Keep climbing.
And now that we control all the mozzarella cheese coming and going to New York, not to mention the world's largest piece of mozzarella, mwah, ha, ha, New Yorkers want pizza. They got to come to me. I am going to be so rich.
You are going to be so in jail. Mwah, ha, hooey.
Who is the kid in the Halloween costume?
We're secret agents.
Oi,
And you're busted.
Get them!
Oh!
You gonna fight me with hot dogs?
No. Kosher wieners. And nunchucks.
And what are you gonna do with those little tiny chapsticks?
Hey, thanks. You're right.
Sweet.
You may have caught me, but New York is still going to be out there, precious mozzarella. Mwah! Ha! Ha!
Please stop that bad laughter. Wah ha ha! It's driving me, my sugar.
Excuse me, Mr. Raton. Could your world's biggest piece of mozzarella be inside the Ferris wheel?
Okay, you found it. But will you be able to stop it? Ah! Ah! I guess you could say I cut the cheese.
Oh, that stinks. The cheese is heading downtown. It will crush everything in its way.
Looks like it's time for the banana shoes.
Whoa!
Grandpa, I need a roadblock.
Roger, Boychik. I'm passing the cheese and looking for the right spot.
Citizens of New York, beware of a big cheese rolling towards you.
You live with a woman for 50 years and you learn things you never knew. I didn't know you could fly a chopper, Anna!
Neither did I.
Good work, David.
You saved the day.
Happy first date anniversary, Grandma and Grandpa. Another day in the life of Secret Agent David Henry. That's me. Signing off for now.